News that's coming in from the state of Rajasthan now. It's the opposition which is upping the ante over the Rajasthan school building collapse. Rahul Gandhi is now demanding punishment for all the culprits. Congress has slammed BJP over the death of the 7 children. Leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is demanding an investigation. BJP focused on hunger for power. This is what Congress has said. BJP is focused because it's hungry for power. My colleague Dev Ankur is now joining me on the story. Dev, we are now seeing how nationally also some of the top leaders from the Congress party have started pointing fingers at the BJP government in the state of Rajasthan. Rahul Gandhi is now saying that an investigation, independent investigation should take place.
Well, yesterday, Aishwarya, the top leaders from the national spectrum, like Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had expressed their sorrow and their pain at the loss of several young children's lives. But it is also quite apparent that politics had begun not only from outside the ruling BJP, but even from within. Vasundhara Raje, the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, who was in Jhalawad and visited the hospital along with her son, and MP Dushyant Singh Raje yesterday did mention that if those buildings were had been identified earlier on, then this kind of situation could have been averted. So now that is a big statement coming from within the BJP by a former chief minister. As far as the Congress is concerned, it has sought investigation, and perhaps rightly so, because as per the ground information is concerned, complaints had earlier been made about the dilapidated condition of the school building. But despite that, allegedly because of corruption, because of mismanagement, the repair work that could have been done beforehand, knowing very well that this is the monsoon season, that the building can collapse and this kind of havoc can be wreaked upon young children, no action was taken as far as the repair of the building is concerned.